I believe most people are good and most mamas ought to qualify for sainthood. I believe most Friday nights look better under neon or stadium lights. I believe you love who you love, ain't nothing you should ever be ashamed of. I believe this world ain't half as bad as it looks. I believe most people are good. Hey everyone, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. Today I'm going to teach you how to play Most People Are Good by Luke Bryan on the guitar. So, super easy song, very easy chords. Probably the easiest chord you'll ever use is E minor 7, okay? So before we get into it though, thanks so much to everyone who has subscribed already. Like, I seriously really appreciate it. And to those of you who this is your first time seeing one of my videos, or if you've seen my videos before but you haven't subscribed, if you find these videos useful, please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new ones. Alright, let's get into it now. Capo, first fret, okay? Super easy here, standard tuning. And you're going to use G. Okay, this is how the intro goes. G, E minor 7, and that's a very easy transition. So that's why I played this G, not this one. So you play this G, and then you're just gonna leave that finger, your first finger on the second fret on the A string, okay? And then everything else is just open. So that's E minor 7. Then you're gonna do C add 9, just like that. C add 9 is, okay, middle finger on the third fret on the A string, okay? Then pointer finger is gonna go on the second fret on the D string, and your ring finger is going to go on the third fret on the B string. And it's just like that, okay? Super easy. So for the intro, you are going to go G, E minor 7, C add 9. You do it twice, okay? So after you play it twice, the second time, then you're gonna go to G, and the verse is going to be G, E minor 7, C add 9, then D. Okay? And then you repeat that. So you're going to play that part twice. So the strumming for it, and this is for the entire song. Sorry, my beard is itching a little bit. So it's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. I played the wrong chord there, sorry. This is still the same strumming pattern, okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, so it's just that down, down, up, down, up, okay? So that's how you play, that's the strumming pattern. So for the verse, you will do that G, so you do on G is I. I believe kids ought to stay kids as long as E minor 7. Turn off the screen is C add 9. And then get dirt on their hands is D. So that's a really easy time to remember where to do that. And then you go back to G on. I believe we gotta forgive and make amends. Okay, so that's the whole part. I'll let you figure out like exactly the words and stuff, but I just want to kind of walk you through that one time. So then in the pre-chorus, you're going to use E minor 7. Okay, and then you're going to do D, and then C add 9. Okay? So it's going to be, I believe in working hard for what you've got. Okay. E minor 7, D. A lot. C add 9 is on hell. Okay. Hell and what? And then for the chorus, you're going to play it a little bit. You're going to play a different order for the chords as well. So for the chorus, you do G. Then you're going to do E minor 7. You don't have to like put it all down here. I'm just doing it to show you. E minor 7. Then you do C add 9. Then you're going to go back to G. And then D again. Okay? And then you will repeat that. So you will go, I believe most people are good. So you start on I as G. I believe most people are good and most mamas is E minor 7. Sainthood, C add 9. I believe most Friday nights look better. So I believe most Friday nights is C add 9. And then look better is G. And then D is stadium. Stadium lights. Okay, then you repeat that. Now at the end, when you do I believe, so you're going to do I believe most, that's on D. I believe most people are good. Then you play through the intro part once. So that's G, E minor 7, C add 9. And then you go into the second verse, okay? And the second verse is just like the first and how you play it. Then the second chorus, the same thing. It's just like it was before. All right, so for the instrumental part, you're going to play, which is kind of just like the interlude before the bridge, which the bridge is really just another pre-chorus. But anyway, it's slightly different lyrics. So you're going to, in the instrumental where you're just playing the guitar, no lyrics for like one like measure, you're going to do G, E minor 7, C add 9, D. Okay, you'll just play those through once, and you'll be doing that same thing. Okay, then you're going to do, for the bridge, it's going to be E minor 7, D, C add 9. And you'll play this twice. So it's, I believe that days go slow and years go fast, and every breath's a gift, the first one to the last. Okay, then you go into the chorus again for starting with the G. Now at the end of the song for the outro, you're just going to do C add 9, G, E minor 7, C add 9, G. That's how you end it. It's just like, okay, you can do this, but you don't need to, so you just kind of do that. So it's, I believe most people are good. That's how Luke Bryan ends the song, okay? I haven't seen him play it live, so I don't know if he plays the guitar or if they have someone else, but anyway, that's it. It's very simple. Super easy song. Just remember that when you end it, you're going to do C add 9, G. What I like to do a lot of times when I end songs is I'll do something like, yeah, G, and I'll do that, like a mute at the end. So people know that it's like for sure over, okay? So anyway, that's how you play the whole song. Super easy, very easy strumming pattern, very easy chords. The only trick to this song, the only hard part of it is going to be that you're going to have to remember where you play certain, like where you change the chord progression, because it's not always the same, right? It's not like a lot of FGL, Morgan Wallen songs and Jason Aldean are kind of the same throughout. Jason Aldean not quite as much, but anyway, so a lot of these are just straight all the way through. But with this Luke Bryan song, it's not like that. So you have to remember how to play those different ones. And usually I like to remember it with words. None of them really do words. I mean, it's like C add 9, G, E minor 7. Like what kind of word can I make out of that? Maybe cage? Maybe? I don't know. So anyway, I didn't do that with this one. So you'll just have to kind of figure out some way to remember them on your own. But very easy song. Let me know if you have any questions. And it's been fun, guys. I'll see you next time.